Hey guys, Casey Sanguins here at Guaranty RV in Junction City, Oregon. Hey, summer's coming and it's time to get out camping. Today I want to show you this 2019 Jayco 174BH. Great little shorter trailer, not too heavy. You can carry it or pull it with a lot of the small SUVs or smaller pickups. You've got some nice storage up under here that's underneath the bed. I'll show you from the inside. You've got a nice power awning that's almost the whole length of it. And Jayco's moved the speakers. You've got outside speakers. They've moved them down here to the bottom of the awning arm, kind of integrated into the awning, which I think is really going to help with the sound. Plus, you're not putting extra holes into the side of the trailer. So let's go inside and take a look. Once you get inside, again, shorter trailer, but really quite a bit of room. You've got a nice dedicated queen bed up in the front with that storage underneath. Now that's the door outside. You can get to it so you can access both sides. Your water tank is up here on the inside, so in the winter months you don't have to worry about that freezing up. You got nice storage up here above the bed to store all your clothes and whatnot. Got a nice air conditioner here on the side of the trailer. More storage back here above the dinette. This dinette does fold down into another bed if you needed more sleeping. Over in the galley area, you got a nice small fridge down here on the bottom. Fridge and a little freezer. You see in there? More storage up above for pots and pans and dishes. You do have, of course, a microwave and a nice 2-burner stove with more storage underneath. One of the nice things Jayco did in 2019 on the countertops is they got rid of the T-molding edge. So this is now a thermofoil countertop. There's no more molding there. Big upgrade. Back here in the back, you've got 2 nice bunks for the kiddos. Or extra people. You got a nice pantry and or wardrobe back here in the back, another one down there on the bottom. And then of course you got the bathroom. Back here in the bathroom, you just got a nice foot flush toilet and a little tub with a skylight. Again, my name's Casey Sanguins. If you have any questions about this trailer or anything else we have at Guaranty RV, give me a call. My phone number is 541-953-9171. Look forward to hearing from you.